Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Today we are discussing the topic is the electron dot structures. Hello students, and the formation of the negative ions. So let's start. The topic is the electron dot structure. The outermost electron take part in chemical reaction called as valence electron, right? The whatever the elements are there, for example hydrogen atomic number 1, so the hydrogen contain only one electron, one electron, right students, one electron, hydrogen contain only one electrons. So rather than representing like this, it is represented as a dot hydrogen h dot. H dot means the dot is the hydrogen in which only one electron is present, and this one electron which is participate in the chemical reaction which is bond with the some other chemical species, that is participation of chemical reactions. So that is we call as a valence electron. So hydrogen atom outermost having only one electron, that is valence electron. Similarly, if you are using the lithium outermost having one electron, that is one valence electron. Beryllium outermost valence electron, that is two valence electrons, like this. Right students, so what are the valence electrons are there? The valence electrons is represented by the dot. Valence electrons are represented by the dot. Dot is the valence of each electrons. Dot is the valence of each electrons. Right students, but I will show the example. Group 1, this is the group 1. The group 1 element having the only one valence electron, hydrogen 1, lithium 1, sodium 1, potassium 1, rubidium 1, cesium 1. Only one valence electrons are present here. Group 2 having two valence electrons, beryllium 2, magnesium 2, calcium 2, strontium 2, and barium 2. Group 13, we are not using here the third to 12 because third to 12 have a variable valence electron. Right students, why this have variable valence electron we will discuss in the higher classes. Right students, okay. 13, the 13 second digit is 3, so that's why it is having the 3 valence electrons. 14 group, the second number is 4, the 14 group have a 4 valence electrons, right? 15 group, out the second digit is 5, it have a 5 valence electrons. Right students, 15 group have a 5 valence electron. 16 group, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If the 16 group have a only 6 valence electron. 17 group valence electron is 7, second digit is 7, so that's why I have a 7 valence electron. 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 valence electrons. 18 group, the here it is 2. Yesterday we have discussed why we are kept into the 2 to discuss. Next 18 group, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 valence electrons. Right students, so second digit is 8, so that's why it has 8 valence electrons. So this is about the divided by the all the electrons we are denoted by the dot. Dot means nothing but a electron. Electron means that is a electrons are represented by the dot. Right students, so electrons are the dot is the valence. Dot means the dot is the valence of each electron, right? Okay, look at here the metal. How should we we should use the we have to we have to the electron dot structure we are write the metal electron dot structure we will write here: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, calcium. Their symbol NaMgLa K. Atomic number 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, or 20. Electron configuration 11, 2, 8, 1. That is 2 plus, that is 11. Valence electron, outermost valence electron is 1, so that's why it is 1 here. Magnesium, atomic number 2, 2, 8, 2. Valence electron is 2, so it is 2 here. Valence electron 3, 3 is here. Valence electron 1, 1 is here. Magnesium 2 is here. So look at here, students. 1 valence electron, so 1 dot. 2 valence electron, 2 dot. 3, so that's why it is having the 3 dots. 1, again 1, 2, 2. So it means these all are metal. Metals means metal are always donate electrons. If they are donate electron means the metals over it develop positive charge. So metal lose 1 electron, it develop plus 1 charge. It to lose 2 electron, plus 2 charge. It lose 3 electron, plus 3 charge. Again it lose 1 electron, plus 1 charge. It lose 2 electron, the plus 2 charge. Like this they develop here. Yes, students. Okay, look at here some non-metals, electron dot structure of the non-metals: fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen. Symbol FClOSn. Atomic number 9, 17, 8, 16, 7. Electron configuration is 9, 2, 7. So it means the non-metals are accept electrons. Yes, students, these are accept electrons. So here it is 7. 7 means it is less than 8. The last topic we have discussed, the species which having the less than 8 electron means this having the which accept 1 electron and attain the noble gas configurations. Right, students? So the number of valence electron is 7. Here the chlorine also 7, oxygen 6, sulfur 6, nitrogen 5. So tell me, students, so formation of stable, how many electrons are needed? Fluorine outermost 7 electrons, it need plus 1. First we will discuss the dot structure. The 7 electrons, so 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chlorine 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sorry, 5 valence electron, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is accept 1 electron, so it develop the minus 1 charge. It accept 1 electron, it is minus 1 charge. It accept 2 electron to form 8, that is the minus 2 charge. It accept 2 electron, that is a minus 2 charge. It accept the 3 electron, that is minus 3 charge. So like this they develop here. Yes, students. So formation of negative ions. So element have a tendency to accept electron from other species to develop negative charge or forms negative ions. Whatever species are there, when A is a species, if it accept electrons to form A minus is formed here. A minus, it is negative charge is formed here. Right, students? The question is, which group or which element forms negative charge? Already we know that metals always develop positive charge, non-metals are develop negative charge. But here we are asking the groups or element. So 15, 16, 17 groups. The group of 15, 16, 17 groups or element of 5, 6, 7 electrons. 7 electrons in the valence shells. Right, both are same. 15 group valence is 5, 16 group valence is 6, 17 group valence is 7. Right, it means. So 15, 16, 17 group of element which is accepting electrons, or the element outermost have a 5, 6, 7 electron, those are the accept electron and develop negative charge. Right, so this is the answer, students. Group of 15, 16, 17 or the element of 5, 6, 7 electrons in the valence shell of from its atom or accept electron or develop negative charge. Okay, students. So look at here the 15 group of elements: nitrogen, phosphorus; 16 groups of sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium; 17 groups: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodines. Right, students? Look at here the students: 15, 16, 17 group. So here the 5 electrons, so it accept 3 to form 8. It accept 3, and these all are accept 2 electrons, and these all are accept 1 electrons. Right, students? So these are develop the -3 charge, these are develop the -2 charge, and these are develop the -1 charge. So formation of nitride ion. So nitrogen is the 15 group of elements, students, and its atomic number is 7. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Electronic configuration Kl25. Nitrogen atoms have 5 valence electrons. Formation of noble gas configuration. For noble gas configuration means 8 electrons. It must be need 3 more electrons. Look at here, students. Nitrogen have a outermost 5 electrons. 5 means it is unstable, or it is, you may say, it is more reactive. So decrease the reactivity, it want to accept 3 electrons. If it accept 3 electrons, then the 5 plus 3, that is 8. If it 8 means it becomes attain the noble gas configuration, that is 8 electron. Now then it becomes stable. Right? If it accepts 3 electrons, then the L shell which contain Kl here 2, and this is 8. If it 8 electron means it is stable, and its reactivity is less reactive. Right, students? So that's why to stabilizing itself, nitrogen atom with 7 electron, these are the unstable and more reactive. So that's why the outermost 5 electrons are there. These 5 electrons are accepting 3 more electron. After accepting 3 more electron, it becomes 8. 8 is the noble gas configuration, 8 electron, and it becomes stable. Right, students? So nitrogen atom accept 3 electron to form from other species, any species to form nitride. Nitrogen accept 3 electron to form nitride ion. Right? Nitride ion. So look at here the reaction, students. Nitrogen atom Kl25, K shell 2 electron, L shell 5 electron. It accepting 3 electrons, it becomes Kl is 2 and 8. Kl is the Kl and is the 2 and 8 electrons are there here. Nitride ion outermost 8 electron, so it is stable than nitrogen. Nitride -3, it is more stable than nitrogen because its outermost 8 electron, its outermost 5 electrons. L shell here the 8 electron, L shell have a 5 electron, so it is more stable than this one. So nitride is stable because the total outermost electron 7 plus 3, total is 10, and the 10 is similar to neon. Already we discussed the helium, rating group of helium, neon, helium 2, neon is atomic number 10. So the nitride electronic configuration becomes equal to neon, so that's why it is stable here. Right? So nitrogen accepts the electron to develop negative charge. It is develop -3 charge. It develop the -3 charge, accepting 3 electrons, so -3 charge. Right, students? Formation of chloride. Chlorine is a 17 group of element. Right? The 17 group, it is 17 group in which the fluorine, chlorine. The fluorine atomic number 9, chlorine is the 17. It is the 17 group of element. Atomic number is 17. Atomic number is 17. It means it contains the 17 electrons or 17 protons. Electronic configuration is KLM. K contains 2 electrons, L contains 8 electrons, M contains 7 electrons. The chlorine outermost 7 valence electron. To formation of noble gas configuration, or may say 8 electron, it must be made 1 electrons. Look at here, already M contains 7 electrons. M contains 7 electrons. It is the outermost valence electrons. Outermost valence electrons. So chlorine contains outermost valence electron is 7. So formation of octet, or means formation of noble gas configuration, or you may say the formation of the stable, it need 1 electrons. It need one more electron. When it accepts one more electrons, then chlorine accept 1 electrons, this M shell which accept 1 electrons, then KLM, K2L8 M8. Then chlorine accept 1 electrons to form from other species to form the chloride ion. Now it becomes chloride ions. Right students, when the M shell, the chlorine which accept 1 electrons in the M shell, then the M it becomes 8 electron. The 8 is stable. The 8 electron is the stable electrons. So chlorine accept 1 electron from other species to form chloride ions. Look at your structure students. Cl, KLM287, unstable. This is the unstable. When it accepts 1 electrons, it forms Cl minus. So KLM288, 8 electrons are present. Outermost 8 electrons, and here outermost 7 electrons. 7 turns into 8 by accepting 1 electrons. Now it becomes stable here. Right students? Now stable argon configuration. It attains the argon configurations. So chloride ion outermost 8 electrons. So it is stable than chlorine. The chloride ion minus charge stable than chlorine. Why? Because KLM288 here KLM287. So tell me students, which one is stable? 288, outermost 8 electron is stable, or outermost 7 electron is stable? Which one is stable students? 8 electron, outermost 8 electron is more stable than 7 electrons, right? So that's why chloride is the ion is more stable than chlorine atom. So chloride ion stable because the total outermost electron is 17 plus is total electrons. Here look at here, the total electron is 17. When it accepts 1 electron, 17 plus 1, 18. 18 means it is similar to argon. Argon atomic number is 18. So its configuration is equal to argon configurations. Right students? So chloride accepts 1 electron, so it develop minus 1 charge. It develop the minus 1 charge. Right students? So this is about today topic students. I will give some examples. If you find any doubts, ask me students. Thank you.